In this video, I will read 10 paragraphs, which will help you to improve your English speaking skills. So, let's move to the first paragraph. My daily life routine. Every day, I follow a simple routine. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 7 a.m., and start my day with a quick workout or some stretching. After that, I take a shower and eat a healthy breakfast. Then, I sit down to work or study for a few hours. Around noon, I have lunch and take a short break to relax. In the afternoon, I continue with my tasks or sometimes spend time on a hobby like reading or painting. By evening, I like to go for a walk or meet friends. After dinner, I watch some TV or read a book before going to bed around 10 p.m. This routine helps me stay active and organized. Traveling. Traveling is one of my favorite activities. It allows me to explore new places, meet different people, and learn about other cultures. Whenever I travel, I like to try local food and visit famous landmarks. Sometimes I travel with my family or friends, which makes the experience even more enjoyable. Traveling can also teach you how to solve problems, like finding your way if you get lost. Whether it's a short trip to a nearby city or a long vacation to another country, traveling always feels exciting and refreshing. Pollution. Pollution is a big problem in many cities around the world. It happens when the air, water, or land gets dirty because of waste, chemicals, or smoke. For example, factories and cars release harmful gases into the air, which can make it difficult to breathe. Throwing trash in rivers or on the ground also causes pollution and harms animals and plants. To solve this problem, we can recycle, plant more trees, and reduce the use of plastic. Everyone needs to work together to keep the environment clean. Water. Water is very important for all living things. We need it to drink, cook, clean, and even grow our food. Without water, plants and animals cannot survive. However, not everyone in the world has clean water to use, and some people waste it by not turning off taps. To save water, we should use it carefully, like watering plants early in the morning or fixing leaks at home. Protecting rivers, lakes, and seas from pollution is also important, so future generations can have safe water. Work. Work plays an important role in our lives. It allows us to earn money, learn new skills, and achieve our goals. People work in many different jobs, such as teachers, doctors, engineers, or shopkeepers. Some jobs are very physical, like farming or construction, while others require sitting at a desk and using a computer. Sometimes work can be challenging and tiring, especially when there are deadlines or tough tasks to complete. A good job can make you feel proud and satisfied, especially when you see the results of your efforts or when someone appreciates your hard work. Having a positive attitude towards work makes it easier and more enjoyable. Exercise. Exercise is important for staying healthy and fit. It helps our body stay strong and also makes us feel good mentally by reducing stress and improving our mood. There are many ways to exercise, so you can choose something you enjoy. For example, some people like going for a morning walk or jogging in the park, while others prefer swimming or playing sports like football, basketball, or tennis. If you don't have much time, even small activities, can make a difference, such as climbing stairs or cleaning your house. By making exercise a daily habit, you can stay healthier, stronger, and more cheerful. Technology. Technology has made our lives easier and more exciting in many ways. We use phones, computers, and other gadgets to communicate, work, study, and even entertain ourselves. Technology also helps us in emergencies, like finding directions using GPS or calling for help when needed. However, too much screen time can be harmful to your eyes, posture, and mental health. That's why it's important to take breaks and spend time away from devices. Reading a book, enjoying nature, or exercising can be good alternatives. If you learn to use technology responsibly, it can save you time, keep you connected, and make your life more convenient. Food. Food is not just something we eat to stay alive, it's also a way to connect with others and enjoy life. Eating healthy food, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains, gives our body the energy and strength it needs to stay active and fight illnesses. It's okay to enjoy junk food like candy and chips once in a while, but eating too much of it can harm your health. Preparing meals at home is fun and allows you to control the ingredients you use. For example, you can try making a delicious salad or baking a cake to share with your family. Food brings people together at celebrations, holidays, and family dinners, making it a special and meaningful part of our lives. Hobbies. Hobbies are activities that bring joy and relaxation to our lives. Everyone has a hobby they love, such as drawing, cooking, playing an instrument, or gardening. Some hobbies are active, like hiking, cycling, or fishing, and they help you stay fit while spending time outdoors. Others are quiet and creative, such as reading books, writing stories, or knitting, which allow you to focus and feel calm. Sharing hobbies with friends or family, like playing board games or cooking together, can make the experience even more enjoyable. Having a hobby gives you a way to relax, be productive, and feel happier in your free time. Family. Family is one of the biggest parts of our lives, and they are the people we trust the most. A family can include your parents, siblings, grandparents, or even close friends who feel like family. Spending time together helps us bond and create lifelong memories, whether it's having dinner or going on a holiday. Parents teach us important lessons, like how to be kind and responsible, while siblings are often our first playmates and lifelong friends. A loving and caring family gives you strength, comfort, and happiness, helping you feel supported in good times and bad. Nature. Nature is full of beauty and surprises, and it plays a vital role in our lives. It includes everything around us, from the green trees, colorful flowers, and flowing rivers to majestic mountains. Spending time in nature can make you feel calm and peaceful, whether you're walking through a park or sitting by a lake. Sadly, human activities, like cutting down forests and polluting rivers, harm nature and threaten the environment. To protect it, we can plant trees, reduce waste, and use fewer plastic items. Caring for nature not only helps the planet, but also ensures a better life for future generations. Concept of time. The concept of time is both fascinating and elusive, shaping every aspect of our lives in ways we often take for granted. Unlike tangible resources, time is intangible and finite, slipping steadily through our grasp despite our best efforts to control it. It influences how we prioritize our goals, make decisions, and perceive the world around us, serving as a constant reminder of life's fleeting nature. Interestingly, time's relativity has been proven scientifically, as Einstein's theories demonstrate how gravity and velocity can warp its passage. Yet on a personal level, time feels profoundly subjective. A joyful hour can pass in moments, while a tedious one seems to stretch endlessly. Ultimately, how we choose to use our limited time defines not only our productivity, but also the meaning and richness of our lives.